Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change Spotify location without VPN. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First, open the Spotify app or website. You need to come to the Premium section. Then tap on the Get Premium button, and under the Premium option, when you subscribe to the Premium version, you'll be able to see an option that says Change Country. So right over here, you can find the option called Change Country. You just want to make sure to tap on that option. You'll be able to see a list of all the countries that are currently available to listen Spotify. Now keep in mind that depending upon the country, you choose the payment method, and the pricing is also going to be different based on their currency. So you have to keep that in mind. Let's say I want to listen to some other place, such as Nepal. So you'll be able to see that the payment method is also going to be different. Keep in mind that you need a premium account to change your location. It cannot be done in the free Spotify version. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.